Hi everyone, thank you come back to my channel. Today I would like to share with you how to deeper the color on the hoodie. The neck is a little bit too high. How we need to lower a 6-inch. How to keep look is original look and the color is bigger, is more comfortable. Okay, follow me. Okay, let's see. The first things before we start, mark the center, make the center. We mark how low we need. Okay, that is 6-inch. We fold it together. This side seam and this side seam line up together. We use the pin to hold it because we have a chop mark here for the central line. This seam to this seam is even. We use the pin to pin it. See, double check. Yeah, it's even. We do the same style. Guide like this way. That is the deeper we need, and follow this part, draw it, and then make a little curve, 1 inch, 1 inch, and then 1 inch. That is the finish. Cut here. Okay, we cut. Later on, take this part out to join in this line, and then follow here. Okay, you have to slowly find the opening. Okay, that is the outside. See, okay. You're pulling for both sides. Now I use the bobbin to save this thread. The best way to save the thread. Okay, we take those thread out. If you need, you still can save. Find the opening. I find the opening. We pulling out. Use your seam ripper. Cut the thread off. Use the scissor to cut this edge out. It's more easy and fast. We can pulling this thread out. Before we completely take this piece out, before we baste first. Okay, we thread to baste 2 layers together. Okay, we start here. Sew with a big stitch for temporary. We baste already. We completely to take this piece out. Now we take this piece out. We keep this piece used at the front. Now this one is the center at the front. We can cut it off at this side. We clean out all the thread. Okay. We open this piece already. Now we can cut it. We cut this one. Okay. Okay, we cut in here. This seam at the center seam here. Okay, we join this piece at the center. We join it here and follow here. Connect here. We pin it first. We join it together. Then both sides we cut it. We stop in this seam. You follow this line. Then we cut it here. Now we go stitching around. Let's go. Look, basically it's like that way. We have to stitch it all around. Follow me. Guide like here. Around a 1/4 inch seam. This center to the center. And then we stitching around because this is 2 layers. That's why we baste together. Snip this to go. Use the hand is holding. Do not cut the fabric. Okay, we snip already. Okay, then we top stitching here. We top stitching. Make sure it's even because this part here 1 inch, then we follow here to here 1 inch. We make it all around the same. Here's 1 inch, and then we cut this piece out. make sure here. All is 1 inch. In the other side too. Okay, here to here, here to here, 1 inch all around. Okay, we serge it. Okay. We follow this 1 inch guideline. To base already, and we pressing nicely. I tell you to save this original color for the top stitching, because I cannot find it exactly. That's why I saved no thread for top stitching. You see my color is a little bit not close enough. I would like to join the seam start in here or on this side here. Okay, I don't like join the stitching between, you know, because join in here it is not show that much. Okay, let's go. So you see, before we join in here this piece, then we smooth to join it outside piece, then not show outside either. I like to use a piece of paper, not push. I use the original thread. The first serger thread will serve as a guide for the second thread. It is a 1/4 distance. We take the thread out. This hoodie, it is complete finished. The neck is much bigger. We completely lower that much. We keep a double stitching as original. We lower 6 inch. More comfortable with this neck. Keep the same style. That's why we use the original to connect with the front layer. Otherwise, it cannot be complete and maintain the original appearance and smooth. This top is completely finished. You see what is the difference. Before, the neck is come up here, and then now it's lower in here. It's much deeper and comfortable. If you have a same problem, same top, you can follow me to do it. Then should be fine. We keep everything inside is original look. Okay, we keep the detail, all the detail. Now it's really nice and neat. You can follow my procedure to do it. If you have same things, you can try. Okay. 如果大家中意嘅可以，如果要呢啲咁嘅同樣嘅問題咧，你可以好似我咁樣做咧，出嚟嘅效果咧好靚嘅。OK，thank you。